You probably work with PDF files quite often on Windows PC, but when you need to edit one, things can get tricky. Most built-in PDF viewers only offer basic annotation tools like highlighting text, drawing shapes, or adding text boxes. But if you need to edit text or images in a PDF, you'll need a dedicated PDF editor. In this video, I'll show you how to handle all your PDF editing needs for free with PDFgear. First, let's download and install PDFgear for Windows from the official website. Open the PDF you want to edit in PDFgear, then go to the Edit Text tool. Here you can edit the text, adjust the font, size, and color while keeping the original layout intact. When you're done, click Exit Editing. To edit the image in a PDF, select an image inside the PDF and click Edit Image. Then you'll be able to move, resize, rotate, replace, or delete it. You can also bring an image to the front or send it to the back. Besides editing the content, PDFgear also gives you tools to annotate PDFs. You can highlight text, draw on pages, and add text boxes or sticky notes. If you need to manage your pages, you can reorder them, delete unwanted pages, split a PDF into smaller files, or merge multiple PDFs together. Besides that, PDFgear also includes many other tools for you to handle common PDF workflows in one place. You can convert PDFs to formats like Word or Excel, compress large PDF files to make them easier to share, and add signatures to documents. So whether you need to add quick notes or make deeper changes to your PDF, PDFgear has all the tools you need. It's completely free to use on Windows, with no sign-up required. If it helped, feel free to leave a like, share it with others, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.